Join me as I dive into the ultimate showdown between Bitcoin and the dollar to see which one comes out on top. The world of finance is abuzz with the debate over two giants, Bitcoin, the decentralized cryptocurrency, and the US dollar, the most widely traded currency in the world. Both have their own strengths and weaknesses, but which one will reign supreme? When it comes to being adopted as a mainstream currency, Bitcoin faces significant challenges. For one, its volatility is a major turnoff for investors and consumers alike. Who wants to wake up one morning to find their life savings have gone up in flames? The dollar, on the other hand, has a reputation for stability and consistency, making it a safer bet for those who want to park their money. Another major hurdle for Bitcoin is its lack of understanding among the general public. Many people still view it as a fringe technology, a fad that will eventually fade away. The dollar, on the other hand, has been around for centuries and is widely accepted as a medium of exchange. It's hard to compete with that level of trust and recognition. Furthermore, Bitcoin's decentralized nature, while a strength in many ways, also makes it difficult to regulate and control. Governments and financial institutions are wary of its lack of oversight, which makes it harder for Bitcoin to gain widespread adoption. The dollar, on the other hand, is backed by the full faith and credit of the US government, making it a much more appealing option for those who value security and stability. But perhaps the biggest challenge facing Bitcoin is its lack of infrastructure. While it's getting easier to buy and use Bitcoin, it's still not as seamless as using traditional currencies. You can't exactly walk into a convenience store and buy a soda with Bitcoin. Yet, the dollar, on the other hand, has a well-established infrastructure that makes it easy to use and access. Now, let's take a closer look at the benefits and drawbacks of Bitcoin. On the one hand, its volatility can be a major drawback, but it also means that investors can make huge returns if they time the market just right. Additionally, Bitcoin's decentralized nature means that it's less susceptible to government control and manipulation. It's a true alternative to traditional currencies. On the flip side, the dollar has a reputation for stability and trustworthiness that's hard to beat. It's widely accepted and has a well-established infrastructure that makes it easy to use. However, its centralization also makes it vulnerable to government control and manipulation, which can lead to inflation and devaluation. One pivotal moment in the Bitcoin versus dollar narrative was the epic bull run of 2017. As the price of Bitcoin soared to nearly $20,000, the world took notice and began to take Bitcoin seriously. It was a major turning point for the cryptocurrency and marked the beginning of its journey towards mainstream acceptance. But the crash that followed was equally as dramatic, with the price plummeting to around $3,000. It was a major setback for Bitcoin, but it also highlighted the importance of stability and regulation in the cryptocurrency market. The dollar, on the other hand, remained relatively stable throughout the entire ordeal, further solidifying its reputation as a safe haven asset. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing a resurgence in interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As more and more institutions begin to take notice, it's clear that Bitcoin is here to stay. But the dollar is still the reigning champion of currencies, and it's hard to see that changing anytime soon. So, what do you think? Will Bitcoin eventually dethrone the dollar as the king of currencies, or will it remain a niche alternative? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the world of finance and cryptocurrency.